Hypermotard RVE. She's a sexy beach. It's a little bit of Miami skyline for you guys. So I believe we're going to do the Port of Miami tunnel loop. We are under the ocean. What a cool tunnel burn. Yeah. That's the first time I've ridden through there.
Yeah, it's badass.
Hyper RVE, Hyper SP. Not a bad day in Miami. I mean, that rhymes, so you know it's true. The RVE livery certainly completes the Hyper's hooligan look. There's Miami on the phone. Hypervigilance. You're very offensive in your driving down here. No one's paying attention to you. Dude, that SC project's so loud my ears are ringing from that.
If you wanna touch my please use caution. Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast.
And let's go. We're exiting Wynwood. Oh, we're not going that way. Maybe we are. We're about to go back down to the Port of Miami. Port of Miami is where the cruise ships head out. So all you vacation bound people, you're about to become familiar with your vacation destination, exitation, departure. That's the word I'm looking for. Out of Wynwood, folks. Super chill down here. It's the hipster spot. That's where we're going, right?
Yeah, boy, let's get a shot to the building.
Okay, cool. We're on a B-roll mission. It's going to be called Shift Quick Productions. Shift Quick RVE. Oh, look at that. Little Ferrari. Downtown Miami. That's the G-Wagon, folks. I'm in Miami, bit. Hell yeah! Oh, that's nice. Yeah, $10.
Oh shit!
Look at that. That's a lucky day in Miami.
Yeah, dude. Well, this traffic, dude. I mean, the whole idea is to go south and go over that bridge. So I don't know about this.
I'm just following you. I don't know where I'm at either. All I know is getting lost in Miami just won me $10 here. Let's go up front. Destination 95. Man, we've got the multi-mount setup over here. This is high production value. Lost in Miami. Looking for the 95. The angle is pointing towards your wheel.
I know where I'm at.
We've got logistical issues. Did you want to try to fix the camera, or you're good?
Yeah, let's get over to the gas station.
The gas station? Alright, we're back on the road again. I think we've mitigated the chase camera from falling down into the wheel. The angle looks a little bit better.
Yeah, C95.
Yeah. If you guys want some camera mount options, you got the camera mount by the leg, front camera mount out front. That's the GoPro Mini 11 there. And then we've got the 360 camera right here. I've got 11 and 11 on my helmet. But this may influence me to get another angle. May have to get another bracket. guess we're making a turn.
Oh my God. And the dealer's in the background, the killing shot,
That's just a eBay mount?
Yeah.
All right, new angle.
Yeah, just try it out. Like, this is how I use it, but facing me.
Yep.
And I get a killer angle, dude.
Very cool, yeah. Yeah, because mine's right here. I've always wanted it out more. That's why I originally had it there.
Make sure it's nice and tight.
Yeah, I don't want to over-tighten it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, right? Okay, cool. Well, it looks good in the GoPro. We'll see what happens. Time to check out the new mount. Bomber. We're gonna head down to Key Biscayne and do one more pass. It's a full day of shooting. Now we're stuck in traffic. Less than ideal conditions right now. Key Biscayne, and here we come. Well, that's what happens when you don't know where you're going in Miami. Hey Siri, tell I'm gonna find a place to park.
Plan's still the same. I'll wait with you at the entrance of Key Biscayne.
Key Biscayne. All right, let's see if we can make this happen.
Take a slight right turn on the southeast Fourth Street, then turn left on the southwest Second Street. At the light, use the left lane to turn onto southeast 3rd Avenue, then turn left onto southeast 2nd Street.
Whew! All right, back at it. Traffic time.
At the light, turn left onto southeast 2nd Street. At the light, use the middle lane to turn left onto southeast 2nd Avenue.
Oh, all right, well, hopefully I can get back to where we're going here.
6.5 miles. Turn right.
That was a mess. This is Key Biscayne.
See the bridge?
Yeah, but that's still cool. I'll take that shot.
We're right here. See? We're right there.
Oh, dude, that's beautiful.
So I'll be right here waiting for you, right there.
I'll try to make it happen quick. All right, folks, we're about to get a drone shot here. Hopefully that turns out cool. We're adding some production value to Shift Quick's channel over here.
We'll do 95 north. Let's just hit the express lanes all the way.
I'm good with that. I'll follow you. Maybe my last burn on the Hyper before I take it back to the dealership. I've been experiencing quite a few issues with this new bike, and I've identified that it appears to be a common problem. So I'm going to go ahead and outline some of my findings. So if you stay tuned, maybe a month out, we'll have to see, and then we'll follow the progress of warranty work on a Ducati. Once the Ducati's in service, we'll get some time on the Triumph again. The Daytona 675R. I really should know what that R stands for. I have no idea. Race? That seems logical. Man, what a good day. Got a lot of shots, did a lot of exploration. I'm gonna head back, review the footage, put something together for you guys, and until we meet again, Shift Quick, signing out.